Hey guys, wanna easily reach the top of your phone just using the quick cursor app on your Android? Here's an easy way how to do it. So let's get started. So then you will have to install the quick cursor app, open the Play Store by tapping on it, then click to the search, and in the search bar click on it and then enter quick cursor. Then tap search and then tap on the app. After that, tap install and wait for the installation. Then when the app is installed, tap open and then tap accept, and you can go through the tutorial just by tapping this arrow. But we anyways will do that in this video. So head to this tab called Installed Apps, and here find the quick cursor app and make sure that this toggle is blue. Then tap this arrow and you're ready to use it. So now let's try how it works on your home screen. Swipe inwards to activate it, and now you can manipulate your cursor. For example, let's open WhatsApp. Let's go out this chat. Let's go to other chat. Let's go back to the home screen. Let's open quick settings. Let's turn on Bluetooth or tap done. So you can do pretty much anything with this cursor. And also a bonus tip, quick cursor works smoothly on most modern Android devices, but some models may require updating to the last Android version for full compatibility. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching, guys.